Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important short answer question from quadratic expressions topic. Let us see question. If x is real, show that the value of the expression x square plus 34x minus 71 by x square plus 2x minus 7 does not lie between 5 and 9. So we have given an expression. So we have to find the range of this expression. Okay. So this expression value does not lie between 5 and 9 means it should lie either less than 5 or greater than 9. So this is the range problem and very important problem. So every problem of range we have to start with naming. We have to name the given expression as something y. Okay, let x square plus 34x minus 71 whole divided by x square plus 2x minus 7 is equals to something y. That means we have to find the range of y. So it's become simple now. The given expression named as y. Now for further simplification, use the cross multiplication process. Okay, so cross multiplication. On cross multiplication we get y into x square, yx square plus y into 2x, 2xy minus 7y equals to x square plus 34x minus 71 as it is. Now transposing all these terms from RHS to LHS. Let us write LHS terms as it is, 2xy minus 7y. Now on transposition, plus x square become minus x square, plus 34x become minus 34x, minus 71 become plus 71, that equals to 0. Now try to convert this into the standard quadratic form, quadratic expression. So what is the standard quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 form. So in that x square term, if you see x square here we have two x square terms. After taking x square common we left with y here, y here minus 1, y minus 1 into x square plus next x terms, so we have two x terms. So after taking x common we left with 2y minus 34 into x. Next plus constant. What is constant here? Minus 7y plus 71 or 71 minus 7y. You can also write 71 minus 7y, that equals to 0. Now we got into the standard form. So ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this is a and this is b and this is c. So let us write what is a, b, c. Here a equals to y minus 1, b equals to 2y minus 34, c equals to 71 minus 7y. Okay, let it be equation number 1. Now x is given as real. Since x is real, y also become real. So this is a quadratic equation in terms of x, whose coefficients are in terms of y. So equation 1 will have always real roots. So we have to write the reason here. Since x is real, roots of equation 1 are always real. So what is the real roots condition? Let's remind real roots condition. Condition for having real roots. Delta greater than or equals to 0. What is delta? Discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac greater than or equals to 0. Now substitute the values of a, b, c. What is b here? b 2y minus 34 whole square minus 4 into a, y minus 1 into c, 71 minus 7y greater than or equals to 0. Now simplification. You see, we can take 2 common from both the terms. We get 2 common, but whole square is there now. When 2 comes outside of the square, it will become 2 square. 2 square 4. After taking 2 common, we left with y minus 17 whole square. Okay, once again I will explain. Here I took 2 common, then we left with y minus 17 whole square inside bracket. So when 2 comes outside of the bracket, it comes with along with the whole square. 2 square is nothing but 4 minus. Okay, let us keep 4 as it is, and here go for multiplication. Y into 71, 71y plus into minus minus 7y into y, 7y square minus into plus minus 71 minus into minus plus 7y greater than or equals to 0. Now overall we can take 4 common. 4 can be taken as common. After taking 4 common, we left with y minus 17 whole square, y minus 17 whole square minus of 71y plus 7y, 78y minus 7y square minus 71 greater than or equals to 0. Now we can shift to 4 from LHS to RHS. So now we left with y minus 17 whole square, which is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2ab. Now minus applicable for each and every term of this bracket. Minus into plus minus 78y minus into minus plus 7y square minus into minus plus 71 greater than or equals to 0. 0 by 4 also we can write. 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. Now y square plus 7y square we can write. We can add like terms 8y square minus 78y, okay, plus 17 square 289 minus 34y minus 78y plus 71 greater than or equals to 0. Now 8y square minus 34y minus 78y, 34, 78. Minus 112y plus 71, 80, 280, 360. 360 greater than or equals to 0. We get 8 common from each and every term. We get 8 common. After taking 8 common, we left with y square minus, this is 8 14 times, so 14y plus this is 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are greater than or equals to 0.